Shall we begin?
Hi, today I'm going to guide you how to do pull-ups. Many people find pull-ups as a very challenging workout, but believe me, pull-up is one of the best workout to strengthen the upper body. To do pull-ups, you need a pull-up bar. You can buy it from any sports shop or you can buy it online. Make sure you have a grip when you do pull-ups or wear gloves. Start with level 1, which is shown in the video, and gradually progress to level 2.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
Here is a modified pull-ups for beginners. Place the pull-up bar at chest or shoulder height. Hold the bar with reverse grip wider than your shoulder. Lift the body. Bring the chest in the line of the bar. Be on your heels. Keep your hip in line of your body. Engage your core.
Let's begin now.
As you progress, you may change the grip and do pull-ups. The other variation for hand grip is prone grip. Once you develop the right technique and strength, you can go to level 2, which is on a higher level bar. Again, you can start with the reverse grip, that is a supine grip, or a prone, that is a front grip.
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
When you do pull-ups, make sure you have a controlled movement.
Is that all you got?
Let's begin now.